Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mohammed Nafish here, and welcome back to AI Gadget Prodigy. This is the place for all things tech, from the coolest gadgets to the smartest AI tools. Today, we're diving into 9 incredible AI tools that are completely free to use. Stick around because we're about to unlock some serious productivity and creativity hacks. Let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like having your own personal AI assistant ready to help you out with whatever you need. Need to write an essay? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas and even generate different drafts. It's like having a tutor available 24/7. Whether you're a student, a writer, or just someone who needs a little help with words, ChatGPT is a game changer. Next, we're talking about a tool that's essential for anyone who writes anything. Grammarly. Grammarly takes that worry away. The free version is all you need to catch those pesky grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and even make your writing clearer and more concise. No more embarrassing typos, just clean, confident writing every time. Let's talk about design. Canva's free AI features elevate your design game. It suggests layouts, color palettes, and design elements. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just want better social media, Canva Free lets you design like a pro, for free. Chapter 4. Notion AI. Organize your entire life. Staying organized is a constant battle. This free tool is a digital command center for your life. Plan your day, track tasks, manage projects, and keep ideas in one place. Whether you're a student, professional, or just want order, Notion AI is a game changer. Chapter 5. Lumen 5. Turn text into video magic. This free tool turns your blog posts, articles, or plain text into engaging videos in minutes. Paste your text, and Lumen 5's AI adds images, music, and transitions, creating a polished video. Whether you're an educator, a marketer, or someone with a story, Lumen 5 makes video creation easy for everyone. Chapter 6. Otter.ai. Never miss a word again. This free tool records audio and generates accurate transcripts in real time. Think of it like having a personal assistant taking notes for you, except this assistant is powered by AI. No more struggling to keep up with note-taking. Otter.ai lets you focus on the conversation and get all the details later. Remember when creating art meant hours hunched over a canvas or struggling with design software? Those days are over. DALL-E 3 is a revolutionary AI art generator that turns your imagination into stunning visuals, and it's free to use. Just type in a description, and DALL-E 3 will generate multiple options. Whether you're a designer, a student, or just exploring AI art, DALL-E 3 is a must-try. Video editing can be intimidating, especially if you're not a pro. Runway ML is here to change that. This free tool uses AI to simplify video editing, making it accessible to everyone. Runway ML puts professional-level tools in the hands of everyone, whether you're a student, a social media enthusiast, or just someone who wants to add magic to their videos. Last but not least, we have Google Bard. This free tool is like having a super-powered research assistant at your fingertips. Whether for a school project, gathering work information, or diving into a topic, Google Bard helps. It's a must-have for students, professionals, and anyone wanting to unlock AI's power for research. So there you have it, 9 incredible AI tools that are completely free to use. These tools can transform how you work, learn, and create. And the best part is, you don't have to spend a dime. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Gadget Prodigy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.